Hey, what's up? The Chinese manufacturer Ulefone decided to make a clone of popular Redmi Note 7. New smartphone is called Ulefone Note 7. As many other clones, it has similar design but much worse hardware compared to Redmi Note 7. However, the main feature of new Ulefone smartphone is price. It costs only $59. Moreover, you can buy it for only $45 at the start of sales. So let's make first review of Ulefone Note 7 and find out its main features. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. The front panel of Ulefone Note 7 looks very similar to Redmi Note 7. New phone has the same waterdrop notch above the display and thin bezels on sides. Have you noticed that Ulefone used similar wallpaper on the Ulefone Note 7 to Redmi Note 7? Do you still doubt that Ulefone copies Xiaomi? However, the rear panel of Ulefone Note 7 looks different. There is a triple camera and flashlight in the center. We will talk about camera a little later. It is a very interesting topic. In general, the back panel of Ulefone Note 7 is copied from flagship Huawei Mate 20. New smartphone from Ulefone is quite compact device. It has 6.1-inch display with HD resolution 600 by 1280 pixels. The manufacturer says that screen-to-body ratio is almost 93%, but I don't believe in this. Most likely it has the same screen-to-body ratio as Redmi Note 7, about 82%. Now let's talk about hardware. Ulefone Note 7 is ultra-budget phone, so it is powered by entry-level chipset MediaTek MT6580A. Also, there is 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory with microSD support. The smartphone will have only about 25,000 points in Antutu. Of course, you cannot play heavy games on this phone, but it is good for messengers, social media and everyday tasks. Ulefone Note 7 has triple camera on the back, 8 megapixels main sensor and 2 sensors by 2 megapixels. The problem is that MediaTek processor doesn't support triple camera, but only dual. It means that the third sensor is fake, maybe even the second sensor too. You should not expect high-quality images from 8 megapixels camera. The front camera of Ulefone Note 7 has 5 megapixels sensor. The battery of new smartphone has 3500 mAh capacity. The manufacturer promises 20 hours of talk time, 27 hours of music time and 7 hours of video time. Of course, there is no fast charging support, so the full battery charge will take about 2.5 hours. Of course, the main feature of Ulefone Note 7 is the price. Right now, the smartphone is available on pre-sale for the price of $45. The price will rise every day on $1. So it will go on sale on May 6 and retail price will be $60. Even for $60, Ulefone Note 7 looks pretty good. It has modern stylish design and good display. The performance is good for everyday tasks such as messengers, Instagram, Facebook, etc. The triple camera on the back is fake, but did you really think that $50 smartphone can have a triple camera? I think that Ulefone Note 7 is a good smartphone for its price. Thanks for watching this video. In the description I will leave the link where to buy this phone. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.